Okay. So I just want to ask you, before you go, I just want to ask you this: what three things did you learn from this particular call
Rather
about
I
digital
want to
marketing and
say,
CPA
yeah,
marketing?
yeah. Rather I want to say what two, three problems you solved with this call, because learning is one thing, and I had three requirements. Like first one is the two, three requirements. First, the person who will do that actually doing himself or not. So there's a thing you are doing, that's a great thing. And second thing is that you said that what you already know what is working and what is not. Like you have said that in the landing page, if you don't add one line, that result may vary. So the Google will already block your ad account and something like that. So these are the things, small things which make big changes, and those are very important, because I've started dropshipping and I failed not because of big things. I failed because there are small things which I missed, which may have been done by some good mentor, but I didn't bother. Bother is a wrong word. I didn't able to afford that time. But right now I am serious and I have to do something, and I'll definitely think you are a very eligible and knowledgeable person for this particular mentorship.
Like whatever you saw in the call, the results, the sales, everything, right? Now, do you think if you get into my mentorship, you are definitely going to succeed?
I can't hear you. Tell me once again.
So I said that whatever results you've seen in my coaching, the process that I've showed you in this particular call, what does it prove you? Do you think after get enrolling into my coaching, you are definitely going to get those results that you've been trying for years?
Yeah, I definitely believe that if I take your mentorship, I'll definitely be fruitful. That I'll learn something, I'll take out some new things. But I have just one point which I want to disclose with you honestly, that your students who are actually doing that right now, you have shown one result of your student who actually spent 2000 USD for that 6000 2x ROI, and there is another guy who just spent 8 or 9, I think 50 60 USD and
$56 and
got
got a $97 sale.
96 USD as profit. So to be very honest, I don't have much budget. I don't have 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs budget. I have a very small budget. So if I take your fees is which is around 40,000, and an ad budget is around 40,000, if I take 80,000 into consideration, then I have a doubt that how much time it will take to be profitable and stable income monthly, and how much I can achieve monthly gain. That's the thing I have a doubt. I am just telling you honestly, because I
Well,
don't have money to spend like 2000 USD per month.
here's the thing. If you have $500 in ad spend, if you have that kind of budget, right, you will start seeing sales and you will start seeing the cash flow. Okay, because when we start with ClickBank, ClickBank starts paying you after you get the first 5 sales with them. Okay, so we are going to initially start with a $10 per day budget. Okay, with one single offer, and we will move from there. You will start seeing sales, and uh, you will be able to rotate that money. Okay, secondly, with there are like as I've shown you, my other students spent like just only $56 and made $97 in sale, so he's already into profit, right? Now he's spent over $100 and he got $100 sale. Now that money will start, revolving. Okay, so if $500 is ad budget is sweet, because you get your withdrawal from ClickBank uh, after you get at least 5 sales with them, and after that it just becomes like a cycle, and then ClickBank pays you every week. The minimum withdrawal is $100 with ClickBank. So I think $500 is a sweet spot in terms of ad budget. But if you Don't have, like, if someone says I just have only $100 in ad spend, I'm sorry, I can't take that person in my coaching. He's just going to waste his time and my time, and he's not even going to learn. But the best part is, don't take it like, with the $500 ad budget, you will learn a lot. You will learn by doing the things, that what are the things that you need to avoid to get your ad account suspended. What are the things that are required to find a winning offer? By doing it, right? So you would be spending money in ads, but you will see things happening in your Google Ads account. You will see what keywords to start with, what offers to start with, right? So even though, let's say if you are not profitable with the $500 ad budget, you would have learned enough, so that then you will say, okay, I've learned enough now. Right now I don't have that kind of ad budget, but I'll just take a pause right now with all this knowledge, and now I'm going to collect some money to have that ad budget, and then I will start with a boom, with all the experience that I have. So with that $500 ad budget, you will develop the experience of doing the things on winning pillars. Okay, so everything would be on winning pillars. Does that make sense?
Yes, yes.
Right. So because I am not going to put your money, I'm not going to waste your money in testing. Okay, with a one-on-one mentorship, you're getting a winning landing page, winning offer, winning components. I'm giving you my winning pages. Like, how did this student got a sale, 2 sales? Like, the first sale he got, the $85 sale that he got, came in a total ad spend of $32. Okay, but something wrong happened with his ad, and Google rejected his ad. So we had to stop everything, right? Then the second sale he got was on an ad spend of $56, right? Now in 8 clicks, it's impossible to get a sale in just 8 clicks. Why he got that sale? Because he has got all the winning components. I gave him my winning offer because he got into my one-on-one mentorship, and I value that money, right? But when you get that one sale, okay, first sale, you're able to see, okay, how did this sale came up? What are the keywords? Because there are a lot of things in Google Ads which are irrelevant, which has nothing to do with getting sales. Okay, because Google just wants you to spend money, more and more money. Okay, they don't care about your results. They just want you to spend money. There are 1,000 things in Google Ads where you can lose money, right? But we just need to pick a few things that generate sales, only a couple of things. Okay, the best part is Google has a lot of good data, and if we know how to utilize that data, getting sales becomes easy. Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
Right, now I have recorded this part. Maybe I can send this to you, which you can share with your other team members if you want. Okay, but one thing is for clear, Ankan, it's impossible to fail in my mentorship. I repeat, it's impossible for you to fail in my mentorship. Why? Because if you get on calls with me, like, if you never get on a call with me, I can't do anything, right? But when you get on calls with me, implementation is the only thing that we do. Okay, so you're going to get those results. Okay, sounds good.
Sounds good. Obviously.
Okay, so
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
you're welcome and take care.